Baby Lulu got inspired by French interior decor. A French-style room from LaLiLu Craft will be the best gift for her.
Yay!
Lulu is gonna love this design. Cut out printed images of wallpaper. Apply glue. The wallpaper is ready. Here is a pair of walls. Make an opening for electrical wires. Ask your parents to help. Build a corner. It's time to take care of the floor. Laminate is a perfect choice. Put together a window frame. Add jams and a window seat. Then it's time for the bed. Apply hot glue and attach veneer details. There is a steady frame between them. Cover the bed with sheets and a pink blanket with polka dots. Lace will make it look more tender. Make pillows out of plaid fabric. Fill them with synthetic stuffing. Ready! 3 pillows of different sizes will make sure Lulu has sweet dreams. Make a purse. Outline the template on sparkly fabric. Snip, snap! We just need to fold the sides and cover the piece. Add an accessory chain. Lulu, this is for you! Wow, it's perfect! The baby came back to the new house to look around the bedroom. The bed is so soft. I love it! Work on the lights. Get some wires. Put together a wall lamp. Secure it above the bed. Join the wires. Let there be light. Now the bedroom has lighting. Small details started dancing. Make shelves. Attach them. Lulu can put all sorts of stuff here. Get printed images ready. Put colorful books on the shelf. Lulu has her own little library. Use a pearly bead, decorations, and gold caps to make bottles with cosmetics. Make cute boxes. All the shelves are full. There's even a card with a bicycle. Hang a poster near the shelves. We need a garland. Cut out triangles and cover the wire frame. The more decor, the cuter the house will be. Cut out pieces for slippers. Fold the soft layer and the fabric with a flower print. Double the pieces. Join them. They are so comfy. Lulu loves her new house slippers. I'll leave them near the bed. It's so nice to put on slippers in the morning. Here are the new materials. Pink veneer details can be used to make a nightstand. Make a small stand with one drawer and a pearly handle. Cut out a piece for a box. Fold the sides. Put the box together. Leave it on an open shelf. Put a lacy napkin on the nightstand. We need some Parisian souvenirs. Cut out the frames. Make a tiny picture. What a cute flower! We'll need pages for a diary. Fold it. Voila! Lulu can share her memories with her diary. It will keep all her secrets. We need a place in the bedroom to put a bag or hang decorations. Make a hanger. Add a couple hooks. Secure it to the wall. Put a printed heart on gold wire. How cute! A Valentine's Day card! Well, let's take a closer look at the new pictures. We have a new magazine with recipes and rare books. Put them inside the covers. This shelf is filled with books. Make a clear vase with a gold leg out of attachments for beads. Fill it with colorful crystals. Lulu loves music. Now she can play songs on her new piano. This piano is going to sound amazing. Put together the rest of the frame. Steady legs. Then the main part. We need printed images of notes. Decorate the piano with a white lace. Add wheels so you can easily move the piano. Cute pictures, cards, and flyers all have strong France vibes. Cords, lace, beads, and a wire. We'll need all that for a lamp. Secure a pearly bead to an LED light. The lampshade will help the musician see the notes clearly. Yay! A small lamp made the house so cozy! Glue a printed image to the cardboard base. There is a vintage poster above the piano. Make a piano chair. Outline the template on a soft layer. Cover it with gold fabric. Add a seat and secure the legs. Is this a piano? Ooh, I can't believe my dream came true! It makes such a beautiful sound. I'll try writing a new song. Looks like this house needs flowers. Cut out the petals. Fold strips like this. Snap, snap! There are so many petals. Complete the rose with a leaf. Baby, this is your reward for that beautiful concert you gave. Oh, thank you. It's beautiful. A piece of decorative jute will replace a mat. Fold a small coffee table. double the pieces. Cover it with fabric and a flowery print. We made a pair of floor pillows. You can sit right in front of the table. Fold the piece to make a couple of magazines. Would you like to read some fairy tales? Please, take a cushion and get comfortable. Twist printed pieces together to make a porcelain vase. You can smell the flowers. There are cards and a pencil on the table. We made a cup out of a bead and a loop. How about some hot cocoa? Lulu can't wait to see her house.
Yay!
It really looks like France. This cute house reminds her of romantic evenings in Paris. Don't you just want to dream and create beautiful art here?